Millions of Americans are about to check their bank accounts this August and find that their Supplemental Security Income, or SSI, payment is completely missing. None. Zero. If you rely on this money to keep the lights on, buy groceries, and pay your rent, seeing a zero balance where your SSI check should be is absolutely terrifying. You might be wondering if you did something wrong. If the Social Security Administration cut off your benefits, or if the system just crashed. But take a deep breath and listen closely. You are not losing your benefits, and you are not being penalized if you are one of the millions of Americans on SSI. The reason your August 2026 check is missing is actually because of a rare payment scheduling event by the Social Security Administration. Today, we are going to break down exactly what is happening, step by step, the exact date your money is actually arriving, and why a massive scheduling event means some of you are actually going to receive 3 checks in the month of July. Most importantly, we need to have a serious talk about how to budget this month, because a mistake here could leave you without any money for over 30 days. Let's cut through the bureaucracy and get you the facts. So why is your August 2026 SSI check missing from the August calendar? The Social Security Administration has a very strict rule. They do not issue payments on weekends or federal holidays. Normally, SSI payments are sent out on the exact first day of every month. But let's look at the calendar for this year. August 1st, 2026 falls on a Saturday. Because the SSA cannot deposit your money on a weekend, they are forced by law to roll that payment backward to the nearest business day. That means your August SSI payment is going to be deposited early on Friday, July 31st, 2026. Let me repeat that. Your August check is not canceled. It is simply arriving 1 day early, hitting your account on the last day of July. Because of this early deposit, there will be absolutely no SSI payment issued during the actual month of August. The system is just shifting your payment by 24 hours. Now, this scheduling shift creates a very rare and fascinating situation for July. Because your August check is arriving on July 31st, it means you will receive 2 SSI payments in July. Your normal July payment on July 1st and your August payment on July 31st. But for about 2.5 million seniors, it gets crazier. If you are someone who receives both SSI and regular Social Security retirement benefits, you are actually going to see 3 checks deposited into your account in July 2026. Here is exactly how that step-by-step schedule breaks down for dual beneficiaries. First, you will get your standard July SSI payment on Wednesday, July 1st. Second, you normally get your regular Social Security check on the 3rd. However, July 3rd is a holiday this year, and July 4th is a Saturday. Because of the holiday, your regular Social Security check will be moved up to Thursday, July 2nd. Finally, you will receive your August SSI payment on Friday, July 31st. That is 3 separate checks in a single 31-day period. But before you start celebrating, we need to have a very real, very human conversation about what this actually means for your wallet. It is incredibly easy to look at your bank account at the end of July, see that 3rd check on July 31st, and feel like you got a bonus. But I cannot stress this enough. This is not bonus money. This is simply your August money arriving early. If you spend that July 31st deposit on extra treats, a summer trip, or gifts for the grandkids, you will be left with absolutely nothing to pay your August rent, your August electric bill, or your August groceries. Living on SSI is already incredibly tough. The maximum federal SSI payment in 2026 is $994 for an eligible individual, and $1,491 for a couple. Trying to stretch $994 across an entire month is a heavy burden. And the reality is, After that July 31st deposit, you will not see another SSI payment until September 1st, 2026. That is a full 31 days you have to survive. Please treat that July 31st check as if it is chained to the month of August. Set it aside, leave it in your savings. Or immediately put it toward your August bills so you don't accidentally spend it. What about regular Social Security retirement checks? If you only get standard retirement benefits, your schedule for August remains completely normal. The Social Security Administration will pay you on their standard Wednesday schedule based on your birth date. If your birthday falls between the 1st and the 10th, you will receive your payment on the second Wednesday, which is August 12th. If your birthday falls between the 11th and the 20th, your payment arrives on the third Wednesday, August 19th. And if your birthday falls between the 21st and the end of the month, your check will arrive on the fourth Wednesday, August 26th. So do not panic. Only the SSI schedule is impacted. As we navigate these confusing scheduling quirks, I know many of you are feeling the pinch of inflation. While surviving on a fixed income in 2026 is challenging, I want to leave you with some positive news looking ahead to next year. Right now, the latest forecasts are showing that the 2027 cost of living adjustment, or COLA, could be around 3.8%. This is a full percentage point higher than the 2.8% increase we saw in 2026. While a 3.8% raise won't make anyone rich, adding roughly $37 to an average spousal check, or around $79 to an average retirement check. It is an above average boost compared to the last 50 years of Social Security history. The official announcement will be made by the SSA on October 14, 2026. And we will be right here to break down exactly what it means for your specific checks. The bureaucracy of the Social Security Administration can be overwhelming. But you don't have to navigate this system alone. We are building a community here to make sure you get every single dime you are entitled to, on time with no surprises. If this video helped relieve your anxiety about your August check, please hit the like button. And share this video with your friends, family, or Facebook groups. So many seniors panic when their check doesn't show up on the 1st. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss an update on your benefits. Take care of your finances, budget that July 31st check wisely, and I will see you in the next video. Please subscribe our Capital Money Mindset YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.